everyone, my name is Akhlaqur Rahman. I am currently a PGDM second year student here at IMT Hyderabad. I'm here to talk about the pre-placement offer which I recently got from Advanced Auto Parts India, based on the summer internship which I had at the company from the month of April 2022 to June 2022. The 10-week journey which I had at Advanced was really enriching in terms of knowledge. I gained a lot of skills, and based on that evaluation I got this final pre-placement offer. The projects which I did were based on machine learning. So machine learning is an area in which I had some expertise from my engineering days also. I did many projects, but I didn't know how these things impacted businesses. This technology impacts businesses in a really great way. So to learn that, I did this internship, and this internship really helped me a lot in understanding that. The two projects which I did were based on machine learning. The first project was actually e-commerce conversion rate prediction model, which was based on different machine learning frameworks developed using algorithms like random forest, random regressors, linear regression, etc. The second project which I did was actually a time series forecasting problem which predicted traffic data points for the future for the e-commerce channel of the company. So these projects helped me a lot in understanding how this technology is impacting businesses nowadays. And finally, in the last week of my internship, I presented these projects in front of the India leadership team and the United States leadership team. And based on that evaluation, I got this final PPO. I want to thank IMT Hyderabad, the CRO team, the placement committee, and finally all my teammates and my manager at Advanced Auto Parts India for being a constant support throughout this journey. Thanks a lot.